Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download ASRock motherboard driver. So basically what you'll need to do is go to your browser and type ASRock. Now go to the official website. As you can see, this is the official website of ASRock. And now just click products, click motherboards, and if we go down, you'll see the category that you'll need to choose, the socket and etc., the form factor and the features. So choose one of those and then search for the product. And let's say you have uh, this motherboard Taichi OCF. So just click on the motherboard, scroll down, and you'll see the gallery, etc. But you'll see the support right here. Click on the support and click on download, and right here you'll be able to select your OS, so Windows 10, Windows 11, or all, and basically you'll see all the drivers that you need to download. So basically just click on global, and that's how you download motherboard drivers. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.